Hey guys, I'm back again with another video on how I wash my hair, aka prep my hair for my protective hairstyle. So if you want to see how I got these results, keep on watching. Okay, as you can see, my hair is such a mess and I know I haven't detangled it or washed it for a while, so I'm just gonna hop up in the shower and make sure my hair is soaking wet before I even start detangling or do anything with my hair. I normally do a pre-shampoo with the African Pride Moisture Miracle detangling and conditioning product, but I didn't have that at the moment, so and I'm using my Shea Moisture Strengthening and Restore shampoo, and I just like to wash my hair in sections. As you can see in a bit, like the whole video will be me sectioning my hair because I just get the best results if I section my hair. So I normally use my scalp massage brush, but I couldn't find it at the moment, so I use my Detangler brush that has similar plastic bristles. That stimulates the cells within my scalp, increasing my blood flow, which encourage hair growth, and also it's so relaxing. So yeah, that's why I use it. So I just continue to wash my hair, as you can see, and I'm going to apply my deep conditioner, but before I do so, I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections, as you can see. So I'm going to do it in 4 sections before I apply my ORS Hair Restoring Hair Mayonnaise with nettle leaf and horsetail extract. This is like bomb ass, especially if you haven't detangled your hair or washed your hair for quite a while. Okay, I'm just saying, it's a really good tip. You should try it. And I'm gonna just apply it in my hair and then work my way into small little sections, as you can see, little by little. And I'm also finger detangling my hair while I have the product in my hair. Now, if you don't like finger detangling your hair while you're in the shower, you can definitely use your detangler brush. Start at the bottom and you work your way up. Don't start at the roots and just pull it down. No, because you're gonna pull a lot of hair. Alright, so when I'm all done, I'm just going to remove the sectioning clips out and put a plastic shower cap on my head. If you don't have one, just put a plastic bag on your hair. And I'm going to put my heat cap on top of my head, make sure it's tight, and put my Philips hair dryer on top of it and let it sit in for about 20 minutes before I wash it out. And boom, look at that. My shrinkage is real. It's like a chicken that fell into a water. Like water. You don't hear me saying the T, yeah? That's how it looks like, but I love my hair. I'm not gonna disrespect my hair like that, no. But it's defined though. Look at that. I have a lot of shrinkage. But anyways, moving on, I'm gonna use my Mango and Lime Pure Naturals Coconut Moisturizing Hair Lotion. It's the best, y'all. Like, ooh, I love the scent. I love everything about it. It's lightweight and it's just perfect for my hair. Afterwards, like, just look at the definition. Just look at that. Look at that. Alright, so the next product that I'm going to use is my hair growth oil that promotes thick and strong hair. I'm going to mainly focus on my scalp and a little bit on my hair ends, but not too much on my hair ends, more on my scalp. Massage it in my hair, section per section, like I said in the beginning, and do this for my whole head. Okay. So the next product that I'm going to use is my BioSilk oil. It's a little version, but I always use my BioSilk oil because it protects my hair from heat. It adds high glossy shine without making it feel or look greasy. It also strengthens and conditions hair intense. It eliminates frizz and so much more. Like, the results will speak for itself in a minute. You see that I use my Philips airbrush, by the way, and look at that. Now the difference is real, the shrinkage is real. I've accepted it and it's part of my life, but boom, look at that. And this is how I wash my hair, prep my hair, stretch my hair, blow out my hair, whatever you want to call it. Make sure my hair doesn't look like this and go to that. Okay, so I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.